افغانستان اور موسیقی آج کل دو مختلف انتہائیں معلوم ہوتی ہیں، اور اگر آپ کا تعلق ان دونوں سے محبت اور شوق کا ہے تو یقیناً یہ مشکلات کا اشارہ دیتی ہیں۔ آج ہم ایک ایسی ہی ابھرتی افغان گلوکارہ سے بات کریں گے کہ وہ ان دونوں ایکسٹریم سے کیسے نمٹ رہی ہیں۔
نیست شوقی که زبان باز کنم، از چه بخوانم من که منفور زمانم، چه بخوانم چه نخوانم، چه بگویم سخن از شب که زهر است به کامم، وای از آن مشت ستمگر که بکوبیده دهانم۔
اس افغان لڑکی کا خوبصورت نام ہے ہمیشہ بہار۔ ہمیشہ انڈپینڈنٹ اردو کو وقت دینے کے لیے آپ کا شکریہ۔ ہمیشہ سب سے پہلے ہم یہ جاننا چاہیں گے کہ آپ کا کچھ پس منظر، افغانستان میں آپ کہاں سے ہیں اور پاکستان کب آئیں؟
I'm Amisha Bahar from Afghanistan, from the heart of Afghanistan, Kabul. I was born in Kabul, but I resident in Nangarhar province in Jalalabad city in a Pashtun environment, and I'm 20 years old, and I was the first year student of the psychology department, and also I had a 2 and 3 years experience in teaching tuition and tutoring for the Afghan girls, Afghan children in Kabul and Jalalabad city in Pashto, English and Dari language. So now I'm here.
ایک افغان لڑکی کو یہ گلوکاری کا شوق کیسے پیدا ہوا؟
When I was 12 and 13 years old, and that was the most important time of my life, the most important duration and period of my life, like when we going to become a youth, and that's an important time. And it was the time that I was affected by my family, that they always told me that you should continue your education, you should become a doctor, you should do that, do and anything that like that. And also I was in a Pashtun environment, and we live in a village in the name of Gulabat, maybe now. And it was so difficult and for me that how I was started my thinking about art and music and singing as a that situation. But it was started since my dad bring a TV with the anthem. Before we didn't have a television or even antennas to watch the internationals or awards channels. But when my dad bring the TV, and for the first time I found a channel by 24B, and it was the music and songs channels. And when I hear that, suddenly I feel something inside of myself that it's wake me and told me like, oh Amisha, what's going to happen? I never had it interesting with music and singing. So why I found it interesting with the Western music, English songs. I started a little singing, even I didn't know English. And then I used my dad's phone on internet, and I found English songs, and I searched the lyrics on the Google, and then I found the meanings of the songs, and that was the way that I found interesting with the English language. My families, they don't know about my talent, that I'm good in singing, because I just sing with my own self. I was in my own dreams, like when I was alone. I always imagine it with my own self. Oh, maybe someday I can stand on stage or even sing, or even I will be on an international stage. For the first time, when I went to stand on the school stage for performing the national anthem, that was my first performance when I sang it in front of 1,000 students and my teachers, and then my all classmates are they wondered, oh Hamesha, how you sing it? We didn't know about that you can't sing or you have this talent to sing. But when anything and all thing is closed, like I mean universities and educations, it was the time that I found a chance for my own self. I should found my own self, and I just wasted time with my own self. I had thinking, and every time I write in my story everything that happened in my life as for my motivation. I write it at my notebook. It's also I have 2 and 3 notebooks at home about my stories, all the stories.
अब तक के गुलकारी के सफ़र में किसने आपकी सबसे ज़्यादा मदद की?
Give an interview. It's a big thing for Afghan society or even for Afghan fathers that they don't allow their daughters to go in front of camera, in front of video, or even international TV and other social media. But my dad, my family, my big sister, my brother, they all support me and protect me. But especially my dad. I'm so happy and I'm so lucky that I have a dad, my father, that he always protect me. He always motivate me and encourage me in my way. And he always told me, Hamesha, I believe in you, my daughter.
आपने जो ये फील चुनी और जो गाना आप गा रही हैं, उसका मकसद क्या है?
I want to make an art or make a music that I should make the words unite with each other. Like the Western culture with the Eastern culture.
आप गुलकारी से क्या हासिल करना चाहती हैं? शोहरत या पैसा?
That's a question that a lot of people ask me until now. That when I do active in TikTok, and Instagram, and YouTube, they ask me, Hamesha, you do that for money to achieve some budget from it? I said, no, never. Maybe the fun be a little part of my music, but my music should be a big or positive thing for people.
आपका कोई रोल मॉडल है इस फील्ड में या इस फील्ड के अलावा?
I always try to hear different singers because I want to learn from different of them. Like I hear Eliana from Palestine, she is a good singer, and I learned some positive points from her. I hear Lady Gaga, she's the most powerful and she's really an artist. And the most famous singer, Billie Eilish, that I really love her. I love her, but I try to make my own music because I told you before, my music should have a message.
हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म के ज़रिए मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी कि आप बाकी अफ़गान लड़कियों के लिए क्या पैगाम देना चाहेंगी?
Yeah, my message is for Afghan girls that I am also an Afghan, and now I'm here as a presenter of 1,000 Afghan girls behind of me, like especially my classmates, my school classmates, my concours classmates, that we were always together, and they know about my talent, and they know about that what I want to become, in future. My message is that never give up and just make it a goal for your life. So my message is for my all Afghan sisters, my all Afghan girls, is that never give up. Maybe now you are surrounded by some problems and limited and darkness, but you should be always unstoppable.
आखिर में मैं चाहूँगी कि आप हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए कुछ उर्दू में गुनगुना दें, अगर नहीं तो दरी में ही, और उसका मतलब भी समझा दें.
نیز غم خوار مرا در همه دنیا که بنازم چه بگیریم چه بخندم، چه بمیرم چه بمانم. من نه آن بید ضعیفم که ز هر باد بلرزم، دخت افغانم و برجاست که دایم بفغانم. یاد آن روز گرامی که قفس را بشکافم، سر بیرون آرم از این عزلت و مستانه بخوانم.